This is the first stage of an expansion project to improve the efficiency of manufacturing in Liverpool. Our strategy over several years now has been to provide products to our customers that have got green credentials. That means that they're eco-friendly, biodegradable, from renewable sources. So an opportunity to build a new building, to build features into that reflect our approach to green manufacturing and green products. In this building we had three approaches. One was ground source heating. The second project was to recover rainwater harvesting from our roofs. And the third, rather significant project was to put a high standard of insulation in the building. Ground source heating involves pumping water 100 metres down into the ground and to remove the heat from the ground and use that heat to warm the factory and some of the factory areas. So we drilled 8 holes 100 metres deep, about 150 millimetres diameter, and down those we feed pipes. And all these pipes are linked together underground and they're taken into a central tank with a pump. We then pump water down to the bottom of these 100 metre long holes, and the water comes back up then and into a holding tank, a compressor and a heat exchanger, and then we can circulate water around the factory. That will allow us to keep the factory warm. We can keep this factory at 15 degrees centigrade, comfortable temperature in very cold winter. In the summer we have the opportunity of pumping the water back down the hole and using the cool ground temperature down there to cool the building. So in summer we'll cool the building, and it also allows us to put the heat back into the rock that we took out in the winter, so we don't take anything from the environment. We use quite a lot of town's water in our manufacturing processes, and clearly this is a cost to the business. So we took the opportunity, whilst we're taking the foundations, making the foundations, to dig a rather large hole and put a 20 cubic metre water tank in. This tank will collect all the rainwater that collects on the major roofs on the new building, and we'll use firstly all the water for the manufacturing processes, and after that for all our water usage on site. Clearly this is the first stage of the development on the site, and now we've got this nice new building, pleasantly heated and cooled in the summer. We'll be equipping it with plant and equipment as part of our expansion programme. For example, in the marine and rail industry we've developed a range of products that have a better performance than traditional products and a lower impact on the environment. Our strategy for the next 5 years is to continue to develop products and processes that meet the exacting global demands of our customers. Our employees and global customers will continue to see the environmental benefits of these developments over the next few years.